Hi everyone. Good morning. I'm Dipesh Paudel.
Hi, I'm Navid Wiki, and today we are going to present about our assignment topic is big data analytics using Hadoop, Apache, Pig, Tableau, AWS, EMR, and Hive. This assignment contains two parts basically. The part one focus on Australian Airlines performance analysis, and the part two is focus on e-commerce data analysis using AWS and Hive. The main goal of obvious was to process the large data sets and generate meaningful insight for the business using big data technologies.
And the slide two is about assignment overview. The assignment demonstrates how big data tools can be used for data storage, processing, and we do the analysis of those data. And we also did some visualization, which you can see. In part one, we analyzed Australian domestic airline data from 2020 to 2024. We use Apache Pig and Tableau for it. And in part second, we analyzed the oldest e-commerce dataset using AWS, EMR, SDFS, and HypeQL. And the assignment also demonstrates skills in distributed data processing, query large datasets, and visualizing business insights.
So jump to the next slide. It shows the how analytics workflow has been done. For first, we collect the raw CSV datasets, and then second, the files were uploaded into the distributed storage such as HDFS and Amazon S33. After that, tools like Apache Peak and Hive Query language were used to clean, process, and analyze those data. Finally, the process result was visualized using the Tableau or interpret through Hive query and outputs. So this workflow helps convert raw big data into the meaningful insight for the business.
Okay, here we have airline data analysis. And in the part one, you see we analyze Australian airline performance data from 2020 to 2024. The dataset were uploaded into Hadoop distributed file system and processed using Apache Pig. And three major analyses were performed: total flights per month, average monthly delays, and average airline delays per year. And Pig Latin scripts were functions such as group, sum, average, filter, and others. And we also did the processed result were exported and visualized in Tableau using bar charts, line graph, and I also have heat maps.
So after that analysis part, we've concluded the results in this airlines datasets. The results showed that the flight volumes dropped significantly using during 2022 and 2021. You can see the charts in the slide as well. And the analysis also showed that delays increased during the recover period due to the operational challenges and shifting storage. So regional airlines such as the Rex Airlines and so relatively lower delays while QuantsLink and higher average delays. So Table visualization helped clearly identify trends, seasonal patterns, and airlines comparison in here.
And here we have AWS EMR and Hive implementation. We used oldest e-commerce datasets. The CSV file were uploaded into Amazon S3. It was different before we uploaded in SDFS. Now we're in Amazon S3 and copied the SDFS using Hadoop DixCP. Next, Hive external tables were created using OpenCV, and then Hive QL queries were then used to perform joins, filtering, grouping, aggregation across customers, orders, and products and payment datasets. This demonstrated how AWS EMR and Hive can support scalable cloud-based big data analytics.
So after perform those pipelines in dataset, we conclude the findings for e-commerce. This analysis identify important products and payment trends. So the picture categories which represent the computer recorded the highest average payment value, and the credit cards were the most commonly used payment method with more than 76,000 transactions. And another interesting finding was there the cancel orders has a higher average payment value than the deliver orders. So this suggestion that expensive purchases may carry higher cancellation links. So this finding can help businesses improve their pricing strategies, customer targetings, payment monitoring, so etc.
And and in this slide, we have a key learning outcomes. This assignment help us understand how different big data technologies work together. Apache Peak was really useful for large-scale data transformation. HiveQL provided SQL-style analytics for distributed datasets. AWS EMR supported cloud-based scalable processing, while Tableau improved data visualization and communication. Overall, the assignment demonstrated how big data tools can transform raw data sets into meaningful business insights.
So, in conclusion, the assignment successfully demonstrated the how we use big data analytics tools for analyzing the real world data set like airlines data and the e-commerce data. In part one, perform an airlines data, we find the trends, delays, which part I focus on the e-commerce analytics using the AWS and Hive. So this assignment highlight the importance of the distributed storage system, scalable processing, how we scale the dataset, and SQL analytics and the data visualization for the those data sets. So this is for it from our side. Thank you for the time giving this opportunity to present this assignment. So
Thank you.
thank you.